It's cobble. Oi. What? Blaze and I are going for like a kind of late night trip to Dollar Tree. I pick up a couple things for 4th of July. Ew, there's a gnat in here. Get out of here. Hi. The door's open and my neighbor heard me. Oi. I'm wearing a hoodie in 87-degree heat and flip-flops. We're at the gas station. This was totally like an impromptu kind of visit to Dollar Tree. And we're going to the Dollar Tree that I did not fall in because fuck that other Dollar Tree. Different Dollar Tree, same structure. This is kind of where I fell, what I fell on. Dollar Tree. Already see 4th of July stuff. Give me this shit. We got the same bag that I did when we went to the farmer's market. Got here LED baseballs. What? Oh, flying discs. What? Foam stickers. Cute. Foam sticks. That's some of these necklaces. Oh, I got these last time. I like these. I'll get 2 of these. What?
Where's the Christmas stuff?
It's June.
I don't care.
Okay. It says nail art, but I would totally put this on my eyes, and I think I will. This matches the purple and white one I just got, and I like this color too. Need a new one of these. These are super cute. I'll get a couple of these. This is cute. Oh my stars. That's a freaking southern thing to say, isn't it? Ooh, cute, but will it fit? Yeah, I think this will fit. I like this one, but this one's, I don't know. Put this over the fireplace. Took a couple of these in the yard. Chia seeds. Oh, cute. Is that my bubble tea straws that I see that I'm always looking for? No, they're just regular straws. Oh, wait. Here we go. Bubble tea straws. Yes. I'm going to pick up a few packs since I'm always running out. My stars plates. Cute. We grow these in the house. It looks like it says just plant and water. That's how you plant things. Oldie English. I want to try these. Super cute for the flowers. Cutest. I'll get 2 of these for the little tables next to our couches. Ma, what are you doing?
It's gonna go like this.
It's not. We're not letting our government ruin our country. This is real pretty. For acne patches? Oh, it's cute. It's really, really hot out, but we really want to plant these 2 little flower things that we got from Dollar Tree along with, we're going to put them in these little flowers and garden things that we also got from Dollar Tree. And these are like house flowers. It says on the box, you can put them in your house. So that's why we're doing that. Why we're doing that right now, because it's too damn hot to do all the other ones. The flowers I picked are these Old English flowers because I think the colors are super pretty. And Mama Blaze picked Summer Bouquet. I swear to God, I hate our new neighbors for one reason and one reason only. I don't know, because these are just for the inside. I swear. Mama Blaze, when we move next, we're going to like a retirement center where they don't allow pets and shit like that. Pets, just not loud ones that will make the elderly people, the aldecacas, have like a heart attack. Oh, this is yours. Don't tell me to do it. It's mad hot. Hey, dog owners, how do you deal with this? We got a little tomato blooming. I'm so excited. I know it's scorching hot out and very noisy, as you can tell. Mama Blaze wants to do all the seeds. We've been punching out everything. The punching out of everything I did. Okay, we got a place for everything and everything in its place, pretty much, except for the pumpkins. We need a bigger thing that we already have, but it's not out here, a bigger pot to put them in. What's in this green one, Ma? Which one are you holding? Cucumbers? Yeah, we're gonna try cucumbers this time because we got like more separation here. We got our first ones planted. We got carrots. Oh joy. Cucumbers, please don't die and grow on us. Please grow on us. Please, we need you. Yeah, Mama Blaze is totally Virgoing.
Shut up.
She's Virgoing as hell.
No.
It is Wednesday, my dudes. Why did I wear a long sleeve shirt when it is boiling hot out?
Here, honey. You can still sell some of it.
Getting this for Papa Blaze. Look at how cute this tray is. My sister would be obsessed. Yeah. We need perfect. I always pass on these earrings, but I love them. Cute. Look at how pretty.
Which one you want to?
Oh, yes. Have them. Weird CBD haul alert. Weird CBD haul alert. Hi, horse. Oh, so fucking good. I have a major CBD haul for you guys. You see how fancy I was? I accidentally put my pinky out. This is from the same place, all these products, not sponsored, but I wish it was. SunMed, it's the only CBD store we go to. We're very well known there. So I'll start with the drinks. Gotta put them back in the fridge anyway. So the drinks for me, I got 2 of the large ones. I got peach Bellini, which I've gotten before, and it's pretty dang good, and lavender lemonade. I know that sounds disgusting because like who wants to drink lavender, but it's actually not horrible, and it's also neuro one, so it helps like kind of calm you and put you in a better mood, and it actually did work on me, so I'm like I'll buy into it. And we got 4 mini ones for $20. My mom got blueberry lemonade. I only do broad spectrum. She got a full spectrum one, so that's one of Mama Blaze's. And she got huckleberry lemonade because I'll be her huckleberry. If you know, you know. And she got blackberry lemonade, which looks like this. My favorite flavor that they have is green apple lemonade. And they only had a little one. They didn't have any of the larger ones. So picked that up. So yummy, these drinks, except you really gotta water them down. I don't wanna say what city I live in, but I think you guys all know what city I live in at this point. So if you live in my city or near my city, go to SunMed or buy SunMed products. They're legit. I don't remember everything that's in these bags because they've been here a couple weeks. Samples, the SunMed sleep gummies. So I think these are full spectrum. Yes, so my mom and my sister can try these. They have CBN in them as well. Thank you, Mama Blaze.
That's better sleep.
Yes. SunMed Kava Gummies, mixed berry. I don't know what that means. This is in CBD. What's Kava? It's something else, Mama Blaze says. It's Kava. Wait, this bag that I'm showing you right now is the goodie bag that they gave us for free. So we got the SunMed Rise gummies. We've had these a million times before, and they're Mama Blaze's favorite gummies. And I like them too. And they have CBG in them as well. My favorite, this is the SunMed Anytime gummies, but I usually get them in watermelon. This is in peach. These are so good. They're really good for pain and relaxing, and you can just, as it says, take them anytime during the day. Not like overdosing, but like take them any time of day you want to take them. It's not going to keep you awake. It's not going to put you to sleep, whatever. I got these little guys, these free samples, which you can get, like she said, you could get like 4 uses out of these. I get only like 2 uses out of these, but they're the SunMed typical. I don't have to keep saying SunMed. It's from the same fucking place. It's from the same place. I just said SunMed. The topical cream, maximum strength, broad spectrum. So you crack this in the back in a little product, crack in the back. The collagen cream evening primrose, broad spectrum and marine collagen. What are you doing?
I'm trying to distract you.
You, good job, Sister Blaze. Come say hi. That was a voice. That was a choice of a voice.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kardashian.
So cunty, and I keep going back and forth between being friends with them and hating them, and they're so.
Like real life, baby.
Foxy, hi. We are definitely friends. Oh, could you give me like 45 minutes or like 5 hours? I'm just making a quick video and then doing a podcast appearance. Me? And then going on a date with, their name escapes me at the moment. Some other fan. They won a contest. But after that, I am totally free and all yours. Okay. Here's the bag that we paid for everything. Well, we didn't like shoplift. We didn't steal. It was given to us for free. So we've already opened this and dug into this. What? No, the other bag was given to us for free. So this is the Anytime watermelon gummies, and this is the 100 pack.
120.
120. No, 100 count.
Oh, they went down. They used to be 120.
Well, now it's 100, and I've had one today. We dug in to that. I love these. So this is the Neuro Sour Guava. Broad spectrum, 30 count. These are so I'm gonna have one right now. I never tasted guava before until these gummies. This is what they look like. I hate the taste of hemp, but the fruity taste are so delicious. And the last thing is the Super Greens. This doesn't have CBD in it. It just has all that in it. It's got tons of things, and it's good for detox, support, wellness, and beauty. You take 2 of these every day, and they're really good for you. They don't taste like green at all. And just the rest of everything in here is just empties of bottles of the drinks that we've had in the past 2 weeks, like the lavender lemonade and shit like that. But that's all the products we got. I got a strawberry. I got another strawberry. It's stuck at the top. Hope you enjoyed this haul. I just spilled it all over my hand. How did this happen?
Because I told you, you're doing really weird stuff to your Starbucks cup. Stop it! Stop doing that! Kaylee!
So we're gonna do a garden tour and a garden update. So these are my flowers. They got just little tiny little sprouts coming in right there. This is Mama Blaze's. Look at how much hers has come in. What? So these were the Old English, mine were, and Mama got Summer Bouquet, if you remember. Oh my God, there's a bird right there. Bye. Oh, hi, friend. I think it's a robin. Hi, friend. Okay. Holy shit. Hi, friend. Please don't attack me. I don't need this turning into a Hitchcock film. So we got a couple more tomatoes coming in right here. These are the carrot seeds that we planted. Look at them. Cantaloupe. Come on. Oh my God. The cucumber seeds. Come on. And the squash. Bitch. And we planted these pepper plants. So there's some yellow pepper here and 2 red ones. I think it was 2 red and 1 yellow. It was either 2 red and 1 yellow or 2 yellow and 1 red. But yeah, we got those going on now. Oh, my hair looks like a rat's nest. I just woke up a few minutes ago, so help. Don't mind my face. It's like PCOS was like, happy 4th of July, bitch. Seriously. My body can suck my own dick. I don't know what earrings to wear that I have that have red in it. So we have the Beauty and the Beast roses, which we can do. Or it's got red in it. They both got red in it. Hey Tiff, hey Chuck. And yes, I wound up buying these earrings. I absolutely had to. These, all right, fine. No, I'm being myself. So happy 4th to everybody who lives in America. I hope you guys had a nice, happy, and safe one. It has been pouring rain and storming all morning and afternoon here, so I don't know how that's going to affect us going to the park later and potentially seeing some firework shows. I don't know, but I'm gonna go and put my makeup on and straighten my hair and get dressed for the day. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Here is the look for today. Look at my little stroke. My Murica shirt. It's all blue and stars, and I can wear it whenever because it's just a blue and star shirt. It doesn't have to be 4th of July, but I did pick it out for the 4th of July. Look at my earrings. Y'all, for the past few times, like all of this year, I've been using this foundation, the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. One of the best foundations I've ever used. I used 21 Light Natural because I had the fair neutral. That's the word. I have it in fair neutral as well, but it's just a little too light for my skin. Who would have thought? I'm a fucking ghost. And if you guys watched my videos like earlier this year, you saw that I found the Alice in Wonderland and Queen of Hearts sponges, beauty sponges at Dollar Tree. And I was like, I have to pick up 2 of each because I want one in my collection and one to use. These are some of the softest sponges I've ever used. I can't say the Queen of Hearts one because I haven't used it, but this one, the Alice in Wonderland, if you ever see them in Dollar Tree, pick them up because these are so squishy. Just coincidentally, the lippy I am wearing today is the Alice in Wonderland lippy my mom got me for Christmas, which is for Alice in Wonderland on birthday. Painted roses. I know it's more like an orangey red, but who gives a shit? The red eyeshadow that I'm wearing today and the glittery little white is from the Nightmare Before Christmas Wet n Wild palette. The red is in Sandy Claus. Let's get ready for Halloween and then Christmas, bitches. As is tradition, I'm watching my South Park episodes, summer South Park episodes, and Mama Blaze and I are going to watch Jaws at some point soon. The 4th of July movie. Changed my mind. It takes place over 4th of July weekend. And it was one of, if not the first, summer blockbuster. That's a true fact. So mad because these nails are super cute. Mama Blaze surprised me with them and I was like, oh, that's so sweet. But one of my fingers is like super nasty and like peeled off. So I was just like, you know what? I'm so sick of that nail just coming off. I'm just going to give it a break until it grows back naturally better. I'm gonna go take some pictures from my plus size Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on there, it's Blaze Morgan XL. All my links are down below. And if you haven't followed me on my main account on I was gonna say TikTok, Instagram, it used to be BlazeTube. I changed my name on there a lot, don't I? I think this is gonna be its permanent name. It's now BlazeGrams. It's linked below as well. So if you haven't followed me yet, go follow me on Instagram on all my accounts. I have my main account, my plus size modeling account, and my reborn account. Go follow me on all of them. Bitches. Culver's got a harvest burger, which is their veggie burger with only onion and pickle, like always. And Mama Blaze and I are gonna split some cheese curds and onion rings. Do I look ridiculous? I hope so. What'd you say? That was delayed. That's what she said. Some of it backfired on my face. What? Gonna pour it all onto my hand, all the rest of it. Ew, sawdust and all. Hello, bunny friend. Yeah, we got a real good view of pretty much the whole city. Yeah, it sucks they took away the bleachers. That sucks. There we go, there's some. My life. What you doing?
What?
What you doing? Ooh. Did a kid just wipe it on his bike? I swear to God, I heard him grunt. Sparkly, sparkly. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. So get on your bike, bitch. Nobody's stopping you.
Yeah, you can do that.
Do it.
I think. Yeah, see that?
Yeah, it's cute. Ooh, pretty.
Different size leaves on it, David.
Whee. Help me. Sending out an SOS, sending out an SOS. Nice. That was pretty. Don't copyright strike me, Bruce. New Jersey is strong.